We are pleased to show you the 2026 Aviator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.